Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aaliyah. So I'm going to show you guys my slime that I made for my friend. I want to give a shout out to Michaela. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys my slime that I made for my friend. That I'm going to take to him tomorrow. It's real good, but I need to mix some lotion into it. So I'm gonna go get some lotion and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And I got my cocoa butter. And you can use cocoa butter or any kind of lotion, but I'm gonna use cocoa butter. That's all I got. Use a little bit at a time so it don't get really sticky. Like, add some more. Okay, now I'm gonna give a shout out to Jasmine, Mikhail, and Janai, Champion, and other people that's in my class that I go to school with. If you want to shout out, just comment down below. You want to shout out and give this big thumbs up, and I might give a giveaway on this next video. Okay, I'm gonna put some more hands. I mean, not hands tight, but this cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is gonna be real strange. It's gonna get real weird, but you still gotta mix it up. And then it's not sticky as you want to be, but it's gonna be sticky. Not that sticky. See? Hold on, I didn't fit to get some lighting. Hold on, let me go get some lighting for you guys so you can see. Let me go get some lighting. Okay, I got some lighting, and this is me, so I have some slime. Sorry if I'm looking up there because the light is real shiny, so I'm just gonna ignore the light. I'm gonna make a bubble. Oops. I'm gonna make a bubble. Hey! I've never made a bubble in my life. And I just made it on my other video, so check out the other video. Okay, that will be it for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video. And yeah. Let's get to 10 million subscribers. Or like, I don't care how many subscribers, but make sure it's not 2 or it's like 3 or nothing or 4. Make sure it's like a 10 or something subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, you guys. And comment down below what you want to do for a giveaway. And yeah, see you later, you guys.